Every time I look in the mirror during winter, I think to myself, it doesn't interfere with me running competently. Where does time go? Do you want to know? Even during filming, people are surprised. The actors I worked with were amazed too. They wonder, where does time go? That's why I wanted to know. But honestly, for me, the most important thing is health. Though I have always had a weak constitution, one day, I started gaining confidence in my health. And now, I've become somewhat of a health icon. What does that mean? Well, being healthy when you're young is expected. But at my age, I'll soon be turning 80. However, I doubt anyone sees me as an 80-year-old. That's how much my health has improved. It's as if I'm reversing time.
We've entered an era where age doesn't define us. We're living in an age of reverse aging. The key to that is authentic stem cell therapy. Our body contains stem cells in 3 places: blood, bone marrow, and fat. Recently, we extracted stem cells from bone marrow. Within an hour, these cells were concentrated and introduced to areas of need in the body. We also detoxed the body and enhanced energy levels.
After that, I returned to filming. Now, I feel ready to run again. Reversing time is like extending one's youth. They'll continue moving forward without any issues. At my age, most people stumble and struggle. But fortunately, I don't have such problems yet. I feel confident about it and take pride in maintaining my vitality. Life used to be considered over at 60, but now, life begins anew for me. I'm determined to keep moving forward with trust in Dr. Baek Geun-young. You can believe in that. If the lines around my mouth and eyes soften, and I start looking even more youthful, then age truly becomes just a number.
Right?
But no matter how much we want, age is inevitable. There was some sagging, but now it has significantly improved. The results are remarkable. Looking at myself in the mirror, I feel proud and confident. Every glance boosts my confidence even more. I'm ready to deliver amazing performances. To a great journey ahead fighting. Thank you.